Welcome. If you use Telegram on your PC and want to keep your chat folders organized, you'll love the new update that lets you easily add excluded chats to any folder. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can customize your folders and keep only the conversations you want in view. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and can see your chat list on the left side of the screen. Next, look at the left side menu where all your folders are listed. Find the folder you want to edit. Right-click on that folder. This will open a small menu with several options. From this menu, select Edit Folder. This will bring up the folder settings window, where you can adjust which chats are included or excluded from this folder. Now, look for the option labeled Add Excluded Chats. Click on it. You'll see a list of all your chats. These can be groups, channels, or individual conversations. Go through the list and check the boxes next to any chats you want to exclude from this folder. This is perfect if you want the folder to show most of your chats, but need to hide a few specific ones, like muted groups or archived channels. Once you've selected all the chats you want to exclude, just click Save. Your folder will now update, and those excluded chats will no longer appear inside it. You can always come back and change these settings later if you need to add or remove exclusions. Organizing your Telegram with folders and exclusions helps you focus on what matters most. With just a few clicks, you can create a clutter-free chat experience tailored to your needs. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on organizing your digital life. Happy chatting!